on your left.
I'm glad I learned all my German for this French area of Switzerland. Elisa is very athletic. Elisa acting like she's not tired. And guess what? 2 more flights. That's all for Neuchâtel, Switzerland.
We gotta go all the way up there. Oh boy.
The top of Montreux, Switzerland.
Nope, not the top.
Châteaux de Chillon.
No.
This is the chocolate factory of Callier, which is the oldest running chocolate factory in the entire world. Tasting an actual cocoa bean.
How do I eat it? Do I just straight up eat it?
Yeah.
Dude, tell me.
Tastes like chocolate.
Just not as sweet. Like it.
We are in the original town of Gruyère, as in the invention of Gruyère cheese. Still a medieval town. Gruyère cheese, town of Gruyère. We are now in the capital city of Switzerland, which is Bern, named after bears. This is the bear pit. Unfortunately, the bears are in hibernation. The tallest church in Switzerland, the Münstergasse. From this time period. Bern Clock Tower, which is older than Christopher Columbus. so fresh.
Yep.
Yodel. Lucerne's most famous monument, the Kapelbrücke, Chapel Bridge. Die Bäckerei ist sehr lecker.
Oh, okay. Hello. Okay, goodbye.
Next we go to the top of Mount Pilatus. Oh, you mean like could I?
Yeah, I know.
Current view from Pilatus. We are going up there. The Dragon Path. Ooh. If you look closely, you can see the clouds perfectly. Wow. More clouds. Our view and breakfast of Lucerne today. A perfect, peaceful morning. We are in Lugano, Switzerland, and this is Lady of the Angels Church. Typical McDonald's view. Mont San Salvatore.
Don't like push me into.
I'm not gonna put you off the mountain.
It's not funny.
Let me by. You can do it. Oh my god.
Right here. Wow.
Holy crap. This is a view.
Well, you don't want to see up here.
bars are as low as your waist.
This is the very peak of San Salvatore with a full panoramic view. You can do it. Can Pauline go help you?
Lugano, Switzerland! Yola, yola.
For our final day, we drive to Como, Italy. Peasants. Last part of the climb of these stairs, which I don't even fit on. Thank you. Look out this one. We're currently on top of a 600-year-old tower.
I'm gonna be honest. Those stairs were terrifying.
Oh my gosh. I'm shaking.
Doesn't look as high.
Como, Italy. When in Italy, lasagna, pizza, American burger and French fries. Auf Wiedersehen.
Ciao. Au revoir.
Goodbye, Switzerland.